Hey everyone.
Hey everyone.
Come along with us today for a little dose of Hialeah history. We're gonna take a look at the home of former Governor Bob Graham.
All right, let's come along everyone. Let's have some fun and let's learn something along the way. Let's do this. As you can see, this abandoned coral home sits on right off of US Highway 27, Okeechobee Road in Hialeah Gardens, Florida. This home is a historic landmark in Dade County. So we're gonna take a slightly closer look on the opposite end of that fence and give some more information on it. I mean, every time you walk past this, it always seems to capture your attention because it's always just wondered, what was this house? It looks so, I mean, it's a bygone and of a long forgotten era. So I'm gonna take another angle on this place.
The Graham House is a piece of Florida history. It was originally built in 1924. The home was built by Ernest Graham. This home was the childhood home of former Governor and Senator Bob Graham. The town was called Pensacola, which was absorbed into Hialeah Gardens.
Back when all of Pensacola, Florida was prairies and fields, Cap Graham did buy this home and built it back in 1924. One interesting note, what people don't know, this home, he even opened this home as a shelter for the residents of the town of Pensacola, to shelter them from the hurricane, which you never see that type of stuff happening now. So it's actually a very, very commendable thing that family has done.
It's so majestic and so very sad because earlier this year a person thought it was a great idea to burn the historic landmark, hence the fencing around it. So now bystanders can't come up and just walk up onto the house and take a look or anything.
Right, so I mean, it's really sad when you see the state of this place. Being such a historic landmark, they really have to open it up and turn it into a museum or something, because
the Grahams have a huge part in Hialeah Gardens and Miami Lakes. They have a cow farm, which we can do a video on that for you guys too.
And
it's just really majestic and very sad.
Yeah, like I said, this place should become a museum. I mean, the stuff that you see here, this place always caught us and caught our attention. So, you guys, I hope you like what we do. We do this stuff so you guys can enjoy our videos, chronicle our adventures, different historic landmarks such as this one here. So, if anything comes to mind, listen, just comment, leave them in the comment, give us any ideas, and guys, listen, we love y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.
Toodles!